do you know that fair value gaps are actually very powerful to a point that price can barely give you a proper retracement if there is no fair value gap? Now, what I mean is here, look at this particular example. I want us to take an example with this price range. We can use this low here and this high. All right, let's just use this particular place and see how this concept plays out powerfully. Now, look at this area. Can you see that we have two fair value gaps here that were filled initially before price went up to create this break of structure? Now, if you are a typical ICT trader, you want to trade this in this manner. You probably want to have your price range maybe from here to here. That could be your daily range, and you're expecting to take a trade from a discount area of this range. But then the only place you have a fair value gap is on the premium side of this particular price action. So how do you go about this? Now, every time you see price retracing to the deeper side of your range, especially if you're on a bullish direction, just like this example, it is simply because there is a fair value gap that is yet to be balanced. It is called an imbalance, and then if price has nothing to balance, then there is no need for coming there. So you can feel comfortable and use this fair value gap as your fair value gap of interest. I want to show you the last example. The same thing was here. I saw this was actually on Euro USD, the daily time frame. I saw how that price used only this. Now, notice what happened. There is no fair value gap here that is yet to be filled. The only fair value gap you have here is this one. And price tapped into it and it continued from that area. That is to tell you that most of the time, the reason why price retraced is because of a fair value gap.